Alright, whenever you're ready.
Look at her. Oh, she got wrapped around now. Okay, come on, chicken shit. Come on, let's do it. Look at this. You're at. Oh, hang on the table now.
Are you? Go ahead. You started yet?
Come on, Jesse.
Come on!
You got both hands. You need to put this on YouTube.
She's using her whole damn body. Oh, I'm gonna have to get a YouTube account just for this video.
Oh, come on, Jesse.
What are you doing?
Come on, you think your ass
What you got to say, Sorrel?
Hey, quit. Don't break her damn down. You tell me to calm down?
I love you.
Oh, after I whooped your ass at wrestling, now you tell me to calm down.
I whooped your ass.
Oh, hell no. You whooped her ass, you're done. I ain't doing that with you, no. I'm not stupid. You see stupid on my forehead?